When I was younger, I envisioned with wonder the possibility that lay at my feet. But this world ain't fair, and I never got my share of riches, power, or replete. Yet somehow I'm still lucky, in the mountains with buddies, all this possibility that lay at my feet. There is something absolutely different about this life. No credit cards, no cell signal, no work week, no mad. Dirtbag sounds offensive, it's not. A countercultural phenomenon, obsessed with happiness, often wealthier in health and poorer in the pockets. There's a mentality to this type of life. Because you can color inside the lines, or you can color outside the lines, and then there's rainbows. You ever watch a movie and then like 10 years go by and you don't even think about that movie? And then you watch it again thinking you've never watched that movie. And as you're watching it, you're like, I swear I've seen this before. Life feels like that lately. It's not deja vu, and I don't get my palms read. I can't see the future, nor do I really want to. This feeling isn't prediction, it's satisfaction. I've wasted a whole lot of time looking for satisfaction. They say time is money. Where do I pick up my check?